1N Agency, and I am so excited because I am coming to your city. So I'm taking my Business in Beauty workshop and I am hitting the road. So I am so excited about this because I get to share all of the information and things that you may have even seen on some of my Facebook Lives or read in my blogs, but I'm gonna share with you all of the things that I have applied to my own business, things that I have implemented with my team and also for myself to build a successful business behind the chair, and also creating six-figure stylists behind the chair. So we're gonna talk about promotions that work. We're gonna talk about how to attract your perfect target client. We're gonna talk a lot about social media and how to turn potential clients into real clients in your chair. We're also gonna talk about the importance of what we do every single day and how we get to change the way that people feel about themselves on a regular basis and how powerful that is. I want to take it back a little bit about, taking it back to our why and why we started in this business, why we chose this industry out of all of the things that we could have chosen to do in our life. And it's because we share such a special connection with our clients and we truly get to change the way that they feel about themselves from the time they walk in until the time that they leave. I also want to touch on some things that I want to get you to have some breakthroughs. I want to inspire you. I want to motivate you. I want you to feel like a better version of yourself when you leave my workshop. And so we're gonna talk about maybe some things that are holding you back from being your best self. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do some role playing. We are gonna play a lot of music. We're gonna network. You're gonna meet a ton of people. And I am so, so excited. So go on my website at 1nagency.com and check out the whole list of cities that I will be coming to in 2018. And I am so excited to meet you all in person. Thank you so much. See you soon.